God knows that there are some things in your life that has happened to you that was not your fault. Bad things, horrific things, sad things, detrimental things, things that could have taken your life, things that you could have taken in your own hands to stop living. But one of the things that he wanted us to realize is to understand is that even though he's God and he does have the power to stop anything from happening to you, but because of the fall of man, going back to Adam and Eve, certain things were opened up from that situation with the fruit, whether it was an apple or banana, whatever she ate, whatever they ate. But what you have to get into the understanding of what is the core of who you are as a person. If you're a good natured person, don't let those things that happened to you that was unfortunate, things that wasn't your fault, allow you to change from the core of your character. Because what will happen is if you let it change the core of your character, when a good opportunity comes, you never see it. Because all you ever see is just what you went through. So basically, it goes back into when you check your wallet and you got stuff in there that you don't need, and you've been carrying around this wallet, this bulky wallet, with half the stuff you don't need, when you could just go through it, see what's expired, cut it up and throw it out. God wants you to do the same thing. Take stuff that you don't need, cut it up, throw it out. Don't change your good character because of bad situations. The devil is who he is. He's been after us since he was cast down into the earth's atmosphere, and he realized that there's a man down in the garden and a woman down in the garden. So he's been after us since then, and he will continue to do what he does because he knows his time is going to end. So when someone knows that they're doomed, they're going to try to bring as many people down with them. And if he can get you to believe that your problems are bigger than who God is, that's how you're going to live your life. And you're never going to believe anything good can happen to you. And you'll live your life as thinking well, I'm just breathing, and that's it. I'm breathing to go through bad. But we got to change our mind and start looking at, well, what good do I have? That same wallet that has stuff in there that expired also got good stuff in there too. So don't focus on the stuff that expired, but focus on the stuff that is still good, that's still active, that still allows you to live. And once you do that and you keep doing that with your life, you'll find out that certain things just won't affect you anymore. And also, it'll be easier for you to deal with hardship because you'll be like, oh, I dealt with something like that before and I made it through. So you're always going to rely on, I already came through the last time. I'm going to come through this time, and God got something good waiting for me when it's all said and done. So that's it.